Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G21 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got 3 buttons navigation, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the button with the 3 bars icon, I believe, or the square icon. One of those. But if you've got the gestures, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up and hold it, let's say around the middle. And as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps, and if you want to, you can close only one of it, just find it and swipe it up just like that. Let me do it again. But if you'd like to close all of them, then simply go to the very left and tap on clear all. As you can see, we've got the info, how much memory we've got released. So let's enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to close running apps in your NOKIA G21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.